If 2020 helped me realize anything, it's that being in control of your finances, and that's from having multiple income streams to having an emergency fund, is so crucial. In this video, I'll go over my money goals for 2021, as well as the systems that I'll need to put in place to achieve those goals. Now make sure you stick around to the end because the last goal might surprise you. Goal number 1 is for me to get you to crush the like button. That'll be a huge help in pushing this video out to more people. But I'm not going to wait till the end of the video to give you a summary of what my financial goals are for this year. So here's that summary. I want to make more money from various avenues. I want to invest the majority of that money, so make that money work for me. I want to work smarter and spend smarter. And by spending smarter, I mean spending on things that either help me make more money or that help me save time. Now, in the rest of the video, I'll be going through my specific money goals, and I hope that inspires you to create your own financial goals for this year. And if it does, let me know down in the comments what those goals are. Now, the reason I said I need to have a system in place for every goal that I said, it's because it's the system that actually helps you achieve that goal. This is a key idea in a great book called Atomic Habits. I will link to it down in the description. It is a must read if you want to get better at personal habits as well as financial ones. Now, goal number 1 is to invest 50% of whatever I make. Now, what system am I going to employ to make sure that this gets accomplished? Well, as soon as I get paid, 50% of that is going straight into a separate account. Now, from there, I'll be able to move 30% of my total income into stocks. And this will mainly be index funds as well as a few buy and hold stocks. Now, 1 to 2% of my total income is going to be invested in cryptocurrency, most likely Bitcoin and Ethereum, but I still have loads more research to do on this, so expect future updates on this channel. And the remaining 18% of my investable income is going to be put aside for a house deposit. Now, if you fancy getting into investing as well, then I highly recommend you check out the link down below for Webull. As soon as you sign up, you get 2 free stocks with them if you're in the US. And then once you fund your account by at least $100, then you get an additional 2 free stocks. So all in all, you get 4 free stocks. 2 of those stocks are valued up to $1,600 each. It is a lottery, but you're basically getting some free money. So it's highly recommended. Click that link for Webull down below. If you're not in the US, maybe you're in the UK or Europe, you can click the other link for Trading 212 and you can get a free stock over there. Goal number 2, and that is to live off of less than 20% of my total income. Now, I've got a video coming out very soon about how much I spend in a week, so make sure if you're not yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button with the bell notification turned on. Now, I'm not too worried about excessive lifestyle inflation, so essentially my system to achieve this goal is to just maintain a similar lifestyle to the one I currently have. After this video, you can check out another video I've made about what I no longer spend in my 30s. I'll pop it up in the cards as well as a link in the description too. Goal number 3, that is to grow the profits from my Airbnb business to £100,000 this year. Now in 2019, profits were around 60,000.
But then 2020 happened.
So whilst I might not be in control of what happens with lockdowns or illnesses, what I can control is my system to find new landlords. So if I find 2 or 3 landlords and international travel starts to resume and things start to normalize a little bit, it should be very easy with an extra 2 or 3 new properties to hit that 100,000 profit goal for 2021. Now, for a more detailed breakdown of all the Airbnb profits and properties and what's happening with all that stuff, I'll pop a link to a playlist down in the description as well as in the cards above. Goal number 4 is to monetize my YouTube channels and get at least £20,000 of income from YouTube in 2021. Now, I've got 2 YouTube channels. I've got this one and I've also got another one for my band. It's called The Curious Incident. If you want to check out that music, again, link down in the description. And the main system I'm using to achieve this goal is by staying consistent. So on my music channel, I need to post consistently 1 video a week. And on this channel, 2 to 3 videos every single week. This consistency, coupled with the other ways to make money on YouTube, should help me get to that goal of 20,000 by the end of 2021. Now, if you're interested in all the ways you can make money from a YouTube channel, I'll pop a link to a video I made about that in the description below. Goal number 5, and that is to sell at least £10,000 worth of band merchandise for my band, The Curious Incident. So in a pre-2020 world, I was able to sell merchandise at concerts, but that's not looking super likely in 2021. So I've got to double down on my online sales. So the system that I got to put in place to make this happen is to run regular sales promotions through the year, and at the beginning of the year actually schedule these sales promotions so I know what's coming up and when, and what creatives I need, and what merch ideas I need to have all in place, what advertising ideas I need to have in place to make them work, and also run limited edition pre-order merch sales, because that way I'm not investing loads of money buying a whole bunch of t-shirts that people might not want to buy. Now, before we get into goal number 6, which may be a little unexpected, please do me a solid and crush that like button. It will be a huge help. Now, cue the dramatic music. Goal number 6 is to pay more tax. What? Why would you want to pay more tax? Now, the main reason behind needing to pay more tax is because when you are trying to buy a house, especially if you're self-employed, they look at the last several years of tax returns. So you want to show the mortgage provider that you have earned as much money as possible so that they will give you a better and bigger loan. So what system do I need to have in place in order to be able to pay more tax? Well, we've covered some of them in some of the other points, and that includes predominantly earning more money. But for the next few tax returns, I might not even claim all of my allowable business expenses. This will help me report a higher income, which looks better to the mortgage providers. Now, don't forget to grab your 4 free stocks from Webull by clicking the link down below. All you need to do is sign up, register, and fund your account by $100 to get that free money. Now, if you're in the UK or Europe, you can click the link for Trading 212 and get a free stock over there. Now, if you got something from this video and you want to see more videos like this in the future, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join me on my $1 Million Hustle. You can watch these videos next. I'll see you in there. Let's hustle together.